Kedarnath Temple to open on May 2nd, Badrinath on May 4th. Official announcement made preparations for the Char Dham Yatra have been underway for the past few days, with multiple meetings being held by the authorities. After surveying the conditions at Kedarnath and Badrinath, the Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee (BKTC) has officially announced the opening dates for this year's pilgrimage. According to BKTC, the doors of the Kedarnath temple will open on May 2nd, following an on-site inspection by a team of experts. The team arrived in Kedarnath on Friday evening and submitted their report, after which BKTC finalized the date. Following Kedarnath, the Badrinath temple will open on May 4th, marking the beginning of the 2025 Char Dham Yatra. In an official statement, BKTC also announced that the Mad Maheshwar temple, 2nd Kedarnath, will open on May 21st, and the Tungnath temple, 3rd Kedarnath, will open on May 2nd. Pilgrims will be allowed to visit these temples as well. BKTC CEO Vijay Prasad Thaplyal held meetings earlier this week to finalize the schedule for opening the Mad Maheshwar temple in Ukhimat. He also visited several significant temples like Ma Barahi temple, Triyugi Narayan temple, Gauri Mata temple and Gauri Kund. He inspected the guest house of the temple committee in Sonprayag as well. The Char Dham Yatra, comprising Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath, is one of the most important and popular Hindu pilgrimages. Every year, thousands of devotees undertake this spiritual journey in the Himalayas, braving the cold weather. Traditionally, pilgrims follow a clockwise route, beginning at Yamunotri, then proceeding to Gangotri, Kedarnath, and ending the yatra at Badrinath. Some devotees choose to visit only Kedarnath and Badrinath. The pilgrimage can also be completed via helicopter services, although most devotees prefer to walk the path. With the arrival of thousands of pilgrims, ensuring safety and infrastructure becomes a major challenge for the Uttarakhand government. The state's economy heavily relies on this annual pilgrimage. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami recently stated that the government is fully committed to ensuring the safety and well-being of all pilgrims.